We're replacing the rear tire of my Giant XTC Junior with this V-Tire Crown Gem. My original one is worn out. First thing you would need would be obviously a tire. You could use a tire lever, but we don't have one, so we just use this plastic trim tool, a wrench to remove the wheel axle, and just an air pump to pump up the tire. The procedure is very similar for replacing front or rear. The main difference would be just you need to remove the chain if you want to replace the rear tire. First step would be just to flip the bike upside down. You can just place it down like that. Then what you do would be just to remove all the air from the tire. If you're having trouble using your finger, you could just use like a screw just to put it in, but I'm not really so finger. You need to disengage the brake by putting a bit of slack here. Then what you would do is you need to disengage the cable. So then you just need to put the gear on the lowest part of the cassette. Now you just need to loosen the wheel nuts. Just on both sides. Now we can just pull the wheel off. That's a good looking wheel. Once you've took the wheel out, you need to pry one side of the wheel. Sometimes you can even just take it straight out. Now you grab your new tire, then just put it one side, but all the way through. Put that in. Before you put the tire in, don't forget to check for the right rotation. Then get your inner tube and make sure your inner tube is aligned with the hole in the rim, so you can plug it through there. There. And then you can put the rest of the inner tube inside. So you just need to push the tire in to the rim, push the bead to the rim, like that. Just make sure the chain is on the cassette properly. Just make sure the bead is on the rim properly. If you have V brakes, it's better to pump it later so it can clear the calipers easily. Just need to do the brakes and pump it up, and you're pretty much done. Reinsert it. Then and make sure you tighten the nuts for the wheel properly. Pump it up. Get in there. Now this is the finished product, and we replaced the tire in less than 5 minutes. Now now you can enjoy your bike. Hope this video helped you replace your tire. If you have any questions or suggestions, please put them down in the comment section down below. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell and like and subscribe. Bye!